How to remove payment card on Nordstrom app. The very first thing you want to make sure that the application Nordstrom is already installed on your device. If not, you can head over to your app store and then install it. Once you have it on your device, open it. Enter your login credential as in your username and the password and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this homepage. Now, head over to Account at the bottom right corner of the screen. Inside Account, tons of different options will be visible to you. But you have to scroll all the way down and head over to Payment Method. Inside Payment Method, you should see all the list of the card that you have added. Once you find the card that you want to remove, you simply have to click on it. And then scroll all the way down to the bottom. You will get to see the option of Remove. Click on it. And then for the confirmation, you have to click on Confirm. Once you click on Confirm, your payment card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Nordstrom app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.